Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the HairGo Infrared Heating Kneading Neck Massager. You can get this product on Amazon for about $60. Check out the link in the description. The massager is very easy to operate and you can turn the heat on and off during operation. It comes with a user manual, an AC adapter and a car adapter, so you can use it at home, in the office or even in the car. The massager is very versatile and can be used to treat different areas of your body. I tested the massager for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very nice product. It's easy to use, it relaxes the body and it really helps with my pain. So if you are looking for an affordable device which can treat different areas of your body, I would recommend the HairGo Infrared Heating Kneading Neck Massager. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.